Okay, now you need to create a file. You need to create a file called bash rc with the following content, but I will not give you this file directly. I am asking you to practice VI by yourself. Okay? If you are not familiar with VI, you can go to VIM. You can go to the website to learn VI. Okay? And if you don't know how to use that, I have a tutorial in my Linux channel, on my YouTube channel. Here you can check this one. You can take a look of this video. Okay, it shows you how to use VI. We'll also give you the link. So please practice VI by yourself. One day, if you have the chance to use other Unix machine or Linux machine, you will only find the VI available. So you need to learn VI by yourself. You need to be at least familiar with the command. In order to configure this, we also need to configure home hosts. Configure etc hosts. Please go to etc and VI hosts. Okay, please go here and add these 3 lines. These 3 lines are the definition of license server. Let me show you what happens if you do not define this. For example, if you type a pin lstc, it will show you name or service not known. lstc, lstn, and lshc pin lshc. It will show you that the name or service is not found. However, if you define these 3 lines in your etc hosts file, so you have the three lines which define the 3 different license server. Then you can type a pin lstn. You can see that I can pin lstn, lstc, and lshc. Okay, and you need to create BASHRC EDA here. You need to create this file with the following contents. So we can try it before we load the file. So we already complete our configuration. Now we can test it. So step 4. Before I run this command, let me show you what happened. If I didn't load the command, the configuration, now I type virtuoso, you can see that command not found. So before we load, okay, so we can use normal user. Now you need to use normal user, not root, because you don't need to use root permission to run EDA tools. Understand? Root permission is only used to do system administration job, not daily work. Chip design is daily work, not system administration. 我用中文再讲一次 ，root 这个权限只是用来做管理系统的操作，了不了解？不要给我用 root 开本出手，知道吗？你用 root 开本出手，你的系统很快就被你玩死掉了，因为 root 是权限最高的。我都跟我的学生讲 ，root 是系统里面的神呐、一个系统里面就只有一个神啊，你如果用坏了就变神经病啊，所以不要乱搞。你弄完之后，你就给我用一般使用者啊。我的 bash file 都放在 OPT EDA 底下。好，那我现在继续哦。So you can type source。好，那我现在示范给你看啊、哦。source opt eda bash rc 哦 ，sorry bash rc eda 哦 ，OK， 等一下。You need to make a space after export command。那个 export 后面要留一个空格啦，等一下你们自己改。OK， source opt eda bash rc。Okay, then you type virtuoso. Okay, then you will encounter your first error, cannot execute. We will troubleshoot this. Okay, so you can see that my SOP download extract configure environment test. Now you have encounter problem, right? You have encounter virtuoso issue. It cannot be executed. So we need to do some troubleshooting now. 我是要现在继续讲下去，还是先在这边停下来等你们？我现在讲下去，我的问题就一个一个解决掉了。你们，我先在这边等你们一下吧。啊，我把那个武功秘籍先给你们，但是这一页我不要给你们，这一页哈。这一页你们去给我自己想办法给我打出来，不是故意刁难你啊！你以后这种东西你要自己打、啊。这个档案也是我打出来的，不是天上掉下来给我的哈、啊。然后 Step 5， 我用另外一个终端机了哈。First, you can see that there is a link, sublink called sh. It is linked to a very strange shell called dash. rm sh lm dash s bin bash sh l dash l sh. You can see we changed the link from sh to bin bash. Okay. So first, we need to modify the software link. So we change that, then we can run virtuoso again. Still cannot execute, right? Then we can apt get install csh ksh. We can install csh and ksh. Yes. Okay, now it is installed. Then we can type virtuoso again. Okay. So you may ask me a question, Professor. Why do you know that we are missing CSH and KSH? That is called experience. 我用中文再讲一次好了。你说老师你怎么知道我这个东西我这个讯息有没有要装 CSH 跟 KSH， 还要改那个 shell SH？ 我是不是做3个设定？现在错误讯息是不是不一样了？你问我说：“老师，你怎么知道了？”我告诉你，这个就叫经验。你如果像我一样被修理了20年，这种东西一看就知道是哪里出问题了。啊，你不知道，就是因为你没有经验，这样了解吗？好、所以你看哦，我们现在是不是有第2个错误讯息了？刚刚那一个坎是不是过了？刚刚那个坎是不是过了？对吧？刚刚那个坎过了嘛？现在是不是踢到第2个铁板？现在在电上，其实我麦克讲啊，我跟讲了，你对不对啦？我先停在这里，好不好？好。啊，我把武功秘籍给你，你们先，因为这个有很多，唉，我告诉你啊，这里啊测试有没有？测试这边我这里写故障排除 ，KSH 没安装 ，CSH 没安装，然后。这边有这个东西，我这个都有写啊 ，CSH bed interpreter， 这个是更细的，但是我今天没有讲那么细，因为我们没有看到那个讯息。然后那个什么 system 无法辨识我们的环境，然后你看这里，我是不是 rm 减 f bin sh 把这个东西用 ln bash 到 sh， 我现在讲到这边了，知道吗？接下来就缺少什么动态连接函数库？你看这里哦，你看我们现在错误讯息，现在是 error while loading shell library lib crypto.so.10， 你看到吗 ？OK， so we just overcome the previous error message. Now we have encountered another error message called missing library. So we needed to install this later. Okay, but I will hold here. I will wait here for you. Otherwise, you may not keep up with me. Okay, so I will give you my note. Later we will solve this one by one. Okay.